Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the Investing Boss channel. So in this video, we're going to look at another property that's looking to get exited from on the Stake platform. Stake being the place where you can buy shares in Dubai rental property and then earn a passive income from it, as well as gain on the capital appreciation of the properties. Stake will select a property, get investors gathered around to invest and crowdfund it, and then after so many years, usually 3 to 5 years, they will then sell the property and give the investors their profits back, and in the meantime of that, pay rental income to them each month. Now, when a property gets an offer on it, which is too good to refuse, they'll put a vote to the investors, and people can vote on to say, yes, we want to sell the property early. In this case, it's 30 months in instead of the full 3 to 5 years. Or you can vote and say, no, I actually want to keep hold of the property. Before we get into it, though, I'd just like to quickly mention the Investing Boss Facebook group, which you can join via the link down in the description if you're not yet a member. But getting on the laptop, when you get that email and you click the link, this is what you get. So in this instance, the property is at the address Dubai, next to Dubai Mall in downtown Dubai, and it's property number 2016. So you can see there, the voting began on the 4th of March, 2024. Today's date is 6th of March, so this is 2 days ago, and it's currently in progress. So you get 1 week, 7 days to vote on yes, you want to sell it, or no, you want to keep hold of it. Now, we can actually jump over. I'm going to be jumping in and out of tabs here to the DIFC website and see that this is the SPL PC8 Holding Limited, which matches up here with the property. So when you buy shares on Stake, you actually buy shares in a company that they've set up, and then that company owns the single property, so you indirectly own the property. And scrolling just past halfway down this list, there's actually 166 investors in total there that you can see there on the screen. They got involved with this. And scrolling just past halfway down, we can see my name there. So I actually own shares in this property. And at the end of the video, I'll let you know how much gain I've had from this, because I didn't own this property from the very beginning, which was July 2021, the funding closed for that. I actually bought shares in this property around 4 months ago, so for me, it's not been the full holding term. I bought shares in that secondary window, the exit window, where every 6 months currently in May and November, Stake will allow you to list your shares for sale to other users of the Stake platform. I usually go in there and try and find some discounts, because people will sell them at 10, 15, or even 20% discounts, and that's where I go in and buy up those discounts to hold for the long term. But back to the email link that you would get. So there you go. It says the property was transferred, so it was fully funded in the July, as we said, but it was transferred in August 2021 at a price of just shy of 1.2 million dirhams there. And then with the transactional costs, it was 1.34 million dirhams. I won't say the exact amounts because that's a lot of numbers there. But the rental income of the property allows Stake to pay the investors monthly dividends totaling 150,000 dirhams there. So really, really good return. And basically what has happened is a potential buyer, prospective buyer there, has made a cash offer of 1.75 million dirhams. Now, in November 2023, the dates I bought the shares, it was actually valued at 1.625 million dirhams. So this offer of 1.75 million is, above the current or the last valuation, which was done by HomeTree. You can see that the total return on investment is 36.12% if you held it from that original date of August 2021. Now, a lot of YouTubers will often say that the average return on the S&P 500, the average stock market return, is 10% per year, but it's actually not. If you do more research, it's usually more like 8% per year over many, many years. So 13.9% in this instance been a fantastic return for anyone that got involved with this since the property was offered on Stake. But back on the laptop, scrolling further down, says the implied returns for sale opportunity. We can click on this here to make it larger. You can pause your screen now if you want to check that out in more detail. But there you can see the funding dates and the transactional cost, the total total dividends paid till date. There you go, 150,000. Total proceeds from investment, and a holding period there, 31 months in total by the time it's all gone through and sold. So yeah, really, really solid 13.9% return there. Now, if we have a quick look through the property, so we can click on the photos. As we said, it's in downtown Dubai, and actually, firstly, I wanted to show you the location. So there's the location there, and we scroll out, and you can see it's literally right next to the mall. You can, 2 minutes, you're actually like 2-minute walk to the entrance of the mall there. Yeah, if we look through the photos, so that's literally how close you are to the Burj Khalifa. That's your balcony view there. Then we can go through, there's obviously, with it being a studio, that's the living room, bedroom, everything included. And there you go, some really nice photos of it. Kitchen, powder room as they call them in the UAE. In England, we just call them the toilet, but there it's called a powder room, so I might have to start saying that myself. Nicer photo of the kitchen there, and another photo there. So really, really great looking property, and we can, it's sold for £256,000 there, as we've already been through when it was originally funded, 1.2 million dirhams, and they're looking to sell it for 1.750 million. If we click on my portfolio, we can see, so I have 15 properties in total now, and there is 2016, this property. So studio in the address, Dubai Mall, downtown Dubai. And you can see, because I bought my shares 4 months ago, the gains that I've made are basically from the 10% discount that I purchased them at. Now, when that sale goes through, because that is valued, that 10% gain is with it valued at 1.6 million dirhams. So when it sells for 1.75 million, that'll actually be a higher return, won't it? It'll be more like 12, 13%, something like that, just guessing off the top of my head. So I'm very happy with that, to say that it'll be like 4 or 5 months that I would have been invested in the property. Now, if you're not yet joined up to State, when you click the link down in the description, you actually get to this page. Someone sent you a free brick worth 200 dirhams, which is 45 pounds today's exchange rate, or 55 US dollars. You go ahead and click that link and then click this claim your reward. Then once you click that, you'll just put in your details and you've signed up to Stake. There's no commitment of you depositing funds straight away. You can just have a look around the platform. But yeah, it literally says there, sign up to Stake, complete onboarding, you'll get your 200 dirhams. And yeah, what are you going to get? You're obviously going to get monthly rental income each month, property appreciation, and hassle-free ownership. Over on Trustpilot, you can see Stake now have 327 reviews, rated excellent, 4.7. But I hope you enjoyed this video and had some value from it. If you did, please do tap the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.